This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for March 27, 2025. It's currently March 16, 2025, 7:13 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $562.81 USD. And the shuffle video for the March 27th reading was created on February 21st, 2025 at 8:29 p.m. Eastern Time. So what we're going to cover in this video is the overall trend direction and chart behavior for the day. We'll give you the timing of the day's highest high and lowest low. We'll give you the sequence of chart events hour by hour. And we'll even give you the trades that we see throughout the day. It's important to understand that the hour by hour sequence of chart events, we're predicting the sequence of chart events. The timing is usually on point to the hour, but there may be cases where you'll need to give it plus or minus an hour or two of wiggle room. The sequence of chart events remains accurate nonetheless, and this is the main reason why I don't recommend trading this information alone. You should only trade this information if you've got access to our live Discord trade alerts for early access subscription, where we do the day trades in real time. I'll show you guys how to get that at the end of the video. Before we get into it, though, I want to make sure you're aware the whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following through on the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders. 5% of all profits should be donated forward to one of these charities. 5% of all profits should be donated back to the channel. It leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you're an angel investor of the channel. Universe will send it back to you tenfold for following through. Not to mention, if you do that repeatedly, you definitely catch my attention because those are the type of people I want to know in the world, people with serious integrity. So thanks to all of those. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get into it. So the overall theme and behavior for the day, the nullified prudence card is probably one of the most difficult cards to interpret when it's nullified. We'll look at it in more detail, but usually there's like back and forth chart behavior, up and down, making it tricky to find an established direction there. Behavior around the highest high, bearish price swings and a sharp drop off of the high. Behavior around the lowest low. Sideways, decline to and through support to meet another support, and then we rotate sideways along that second support, which should be important at least on a one-day chart. There's no real trade advisement to trade around that support level, but it should be a support level important on a 1-month scale minimum. Now, in the pre-market, we have a notable move to the upside and a breakout. At the open, though, we've got a decline increasing with the momentum moving forward in time, which then turns into a sideways fluctuating rally in the first half hour. Sideways fluctuating rally precedes a decline into key technical price level, probably a similar price level to what we saw in the post-market that we moved to the upside off of. We'll attempt to establish support there between 10 and 11. There's a big move to the upside right around 11 o'clock, followed by price swinging into a day's low before 12 o'clock, followed by more movement to the upside. Sorry, guys. Followed by more movement to the upside into a near overbought crest between roughly 12 and 1. And from that near overbought crest, we should sell off through multiple support levels. There's a rally into key resistance between 1 and 2. It's a failed attempt to break through resistance that we expect to break through probably after establishing some sort of, making it look like we established support here or something. But it's a failed attempt to break through resistance, followed by a decline through key support. And then we have this move higher between roughly 2 and 3. Breaking through horizontal resistance. And then turning around and briefly after that, and breaking back down through that same price level shortly thereafter with a full retracement. In the last hour, we have an unexpected move to the upside, taking us into what might be a high for the day. And right around the close, we have a period of volatility that ends with a fast sudden move higher. In the post-market, we have a decline. Either that or it's speaking about an opportunity the following day, which very likely it could be speaking about this opportunity. But we'll look at that in more detail when we get into the reading for the 28th. As far as trades are concerned, it's interesting. I don't have a highest high marked here. I usually have a highest high marked here. Here, look at this, guys. This is how you use the website. So after you make a username and password, Tarot for Traders, the tarot cards, this is the most detailed library for tarot information specifically to trading that you'll find on the internet. This is all free, so you just click on it, right? We want to see the Queen or the Moon card. You go to the Moon card here. Correspondence is Ace of Swords, Prince of Swords. Hangman, 8 of cups, 9 of cups, 10 of cups. Yeah, we left it out. Yeah, so there's a high midday there after this low, a high midday. So you could open up a long when we're attempting to establish support and close that long when we have a high for the day midday. If you're in a long position from the prior day, you might close out of it at that high. That's likely what I would do is close out of it there and wait to enter back in on the 28th. So that's SPY for March 27, 2025. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that Rule of Karma. This is how you get the early access subscription. You go to our website, Tarot for Traders, hover over Order Now, click on Subscriptions. Early access subscription is our intro subscription. It's significantly underpriced, specifically because we want it to be accessible to as many people as possible, so that they can see what really goes on here at the channel, like really beneficial information. And for $100 a month. Ridiculous. You're getting the earliest access to any of our public posts through the Discord early access video channel. You're getting the live stream questions channel. You're getting the SPY Discord trade alerts for day trades and swing trades. That's all live and up to date. And you're getting the live trading view chart drawings, access to those. And as part of the Discord, we actually tell you when we add new chart drawings or if we modify something. All of that as part of early access. These are game-changing services. You should only be trading this information with these services. And if you're serious, $100 a month is nothing. Much love and appreciation. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.